Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Mazda CX-5 Maxx Sport, stock reference number 5160. This shape runs from the 2nd month 2012 through the 12th month 2016. It has an SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. SH 2.2 litre 4-cylinder twin-turbo diesel engine. We have the left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left tail light does have light scratches. Left tailgate garnish. Tailgate has one large dent. Right hand tailgate garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right power door mirror just has a little paint chip on the outside edge and a few scratches. Driver side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. Automatic center console, automatic gear shifter, climate control, heater control, sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.